If you are experiencing lines across copies or scans from your multifunction printer, here are a few quick steps that may resolve your issue. Lift the scanner lid and note the narrow strip of glass to the left side. Clean the surface of this area with a microfiber cloth. Or, if you don't have one of those handy, a regular sheet of dry copy paper works great. The paper is abrasive, so it can easily capture and remove any debris adhered to the glass. If the line persists, open the front cover of the MFP. Pull and push each of the 4 charge cleaners all the way out and back in several times. Then, remove the waste toner container by pressing down on the 2 tabs and pulling towards you. Remove the cleaning wand from the back of the front cover. Note the fiber pad on one end. Insert this end, pad down, to the left of the green arrow sticker for each color. Pull and push the cleaner all the way in and out for each color. This will clear the LED print heads of any particulates, such as excess toner or paper dust. Reattach the waste toner container by pressing it firmly on both sides, and stow the cleaning wand. If the lines persist, please let us know. A technician will be out to take a look as soon as possible.